Welcome back with me, Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Vapormax Plus triple black colorway. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the forefoot, you can see on the toe box here between the midsole and the upper, there is a lot more glue stain here, looking terrible, looking dirty, whereas on the authentic it's looking very clean. And also this one here, there is a lot more glue stain also on top of the midsole here. And this one on the marking area, the Nike swoosh is touching the stitching lining. It's touching the lining. There is no gap here, whereas on the authentic there is a little bit gap here. And also this one, you can see the Nike swoosh, the shape of the Nike swoosh is looking terrible, and it's too close with the stitching, whereas on the authentic there is a little bit gap here. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here, the circle here is slightly come up here. It's not centered like the authentic one. Moving on the pads here, on the authentic one, you can see the color is black, just a little bit darker. It's a lot more darker. On the fake one is silver or gray. It's totally different. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see here, the leg clips here slightly go down. Also, there is a lot more glue stain here. It's looking dirty. Take a closer look. As you can see here, it's very clear there is a lot more glue stain on the fake one compared to the authentic. Moving to the outsole here, you can see here the color is a lot more darker on the fake one, and also the Nike swoosh on the fake one the color is gray, whereas on the authentic there is a black. The color is black. Take a closer look. It's very easy. You can see on the fake one is gray, on the authentic is black. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it. And if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.